Okay. Can you guys what those boxes are for? In case you can't see it, but there's a back rack in there. Anyway, I got a big fire in Saranac Lake, but no, now the stupid sunlight's getting in the way. So anyway, yeah, I got a back rack for this, and the bad story is that I ended up fighting with this place I bought it from. So one thing I've learned is I'm not going to buy anything on Amazon that's from a third party, because Full Wheel Online, do not buy from them. I'm telling you right now. I had a problem. The box was damaged, and I was just going to end up returning it because the box was really damaged, and I was not sure whether or not the UPS driver said that they didn't pay for the prepaid label to go back, and they said that it'd probably be like almost like I think $200 to ship the freaking thing back. So yeah, whatever you do, don't do it Full Wheel Online, because I certainly will watch that out next time. So I don't know what kind of company doesn't give a prepaid label. I mean, they give better deals to the companies than what a regular person would do. So, besides the point, this is the back rack frame. I also got a wipe bar mount for the top of that. So yeah, let's get this baby installed. Okay, do you guys see a problem already? Can you guess what this is? Well, that's the light bracket for the mini light bar. And I had no idea in this $130 nice package from Backrack, it came with this light mount, which is freaking awesome. I had no idea it came with that. Like, it just says everything that's included to install hardware. Okay, cool. Now I don't have to spend an extra $50 to get another light bracket mount. But I wanted this one because, well, as you can see, we're going to be permanently mounting it because I'm not too fan of magnet mounts anymore. But it's steel. So anyway, it clamps onto the back rack, and then somehow, I guess, oh yeah, it gets clamped on like that, and then the light bar sits on top of this. So that's an extra $40 I could just end up canceling from Car Aid, which I bought the mount because I thought I needed the mount, but I guess you didn't need the mount. So, installation instructions. Sweet. So, in your back rack, you probably just somewhat watched me unbox it, but got your mounting pieces, you got your frames, and then you got the these are bed risers for the inside bed rail tonneau covers. So yeah, let me start reading instructions, and we'll get the show on the road. Okay, so you have these kind of brackets, and it's kind of simple. It is you just go on like that, and take the bolt and you put the flat end of the bolt towards the cab window. And you take a washer. Maybe take a, there you go. And you take your bolt. And you take your 3/4 socket. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm retarded now. Pad. Okay, it's not fitting. There it goes. Dang. Okay. Same process. So I actually was able to cancel my the car ID eBay thing I bought, which is fine. Saves me an extra 39 bucks. Okay, that was one of the easier parts. Alright, I apologize if you guys aren't going to see anything. Blame the sun's fault, but we all need the sun in our lives. So, well there, that was easier said than done. Okay. Guess that's how it's supposed to. That's supposed to. Yeah, that'll work. Oh, wait a minute. Dirty, dirty, dirty. I'm an idiot. There we go, that's nice and tight, I think. It's pretty professionally done. Now let's go to the other side. So far it's pretty freaking easy for a ding-dong like me. All you're doing is just cutting out the stake pockets that are there already. And then pretty much this just drops down in there. I might have to shim some of it away. I said I'm not going to do that. I'm going to see how this happens. Let's see. Whoops. So the plate goes on next, not the washer. Just in case you guys didn't know that. Because I can't figure that out. I'm an idiot. Well, not this one. But I certainly give it a try and try to give you guys laughing entertainment you can that say they call me a dumbass, because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. But hey, you know what? So others say that I suck at doing certain things. Well, you know what? Why don't you get over here and show me how it's done, then, big boy? That's nice and tight. Okay. Now, three directions again. Okay. And okay. So now what's going to happen is I got to get the risers, and the risers go on, I guess, one of the holes. Let's see where the instruction manual says they need to go. Bring this one back. So now I think comes the finale. So then you just take the back rack, and you got to be swole trained to do this. Ah! After I break my balls. Road door the back rack onto your truck. No, that doesn't work. Not it this way. I'm sure this piece of equipment will definitely help in the wintertime with traction. I think joking. I think I'm joking right now, but I could be wrong. This freaking thing is heavy. And then you gotta curl the back rack. Ooh yeah. Then you have to smash your windows out and curse and rage like I did. Well, hang on. You have a problem already. I think I know why. Let's see what the frick I'm doing. Now, curl it again. Nice. Nice. Now, I'm using 15, 16. That's pretty sturdy. Now, the ultimate question I have is mini light bar removed. It's going to go in here. Because next, I won't do it in this video because I got to pack, because I'm going to go down to state. I don't know when you'll see this video, but you'll see it someday. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. Comment, rate, subscribe. I'll catch you guys later.